Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day for everybody. My name is Ridwan Kamil. I'm the governor of West Java, Indonesia. West Java is the #1 investment destination in Indonesia, and West Java also home of 60% industries in Indonesia. And West Java is the biggest population province. We have almost 50 million people in West Java. My province, West Java, has many comparative advantages. We act as an investment magnet for investors, especially given the fact that West Java is supported by a readiness in infrastructure, productivity of its labor, and easy in permit services for investment. These values make West Java the prime destination for investment in Indonesia. We are always #1 for the last 3 years. The government of West Java is currently in the process of driving the development of 13 new industrial cities in the northern part of West Java, and we call it these 13 new cities as a Rebana region. Rebana region is expected to create a leap in economic development, not only in West Java, but also contribution to Indonesia. We have a good news. We have what we call Presidential Regulation number 87 in 2021. It means the central government is helping and supporting this Rebana region to become the top priorities in central government projects. We are given 81 prioritized programs from the central government in total sum of 234 trillion rupiah. One of the priorities within these presidential regulations is the development of Subang Smartpolitan industrial area, and naturally the government of West Java always support this Subang Smartpolitan area as one of many industrial area in Rebana, which developed not solely as an industrial area but also internalizing the concept of live, work, and play as the development of Rebana region as a whole. I humbly offer my highest gratitude toward the Ministry of Investment (BKPM) for their dedication in making Subang Smartpolitan industrial area one of ready-to-offer prioritized strategic project in 2022. So many projects, and this one is ready to go. Thank you very much, and I hope you will come and invest to our lovely and prosperous West Java. Thank you very much.